Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove products from your Amazon FBA shipments during the packing stage. Let's say you've packed your items into boxes, but you have 3 leftover products. You don't want to create a new box just for them, and you'd like to remove these items from the shipment. Here's what you should do. First, add those items into your last box in Bookz Pro, and click Finish Packing to move to the next step. Once you proceed to the next stage, click the 3 dots next to the shipment and select Download Content File. Bookz Pro will provide a compressed file that contains 2 files, Item Content and Box Content. If you're using a Mac, simply extract the files and open them. On Windows, you can extract the files and move them to your desktop or Downloads folder. The idea is to edit these 2 files by removing the items you no longer want to ship. Open a new Google Sheet. Go to File, Open, Uploads, click Browse, and select the box content file you downloaded. Now search for the item you want to remove using product title or SKU. Copy the SKU, and then open the item content file in. Search for the copied SKU inside the item content. Click the beginning of the line on the left for the SKU you found. Hold down Shift and click the next row number below it, then delete the row. Next, go back to the box content file. Right-click on the row of the product you want to remove and select Delete Row. Repeat these steps for each item you want to remove in both files. Once you're done, save the updated item content file. You can leave the box content sheet open for later. After preparing the files, we'll create a brand new shipment on Amazon. To do this, go to Amazon's shipment page. Hover over Shipments and click Send to Amazon. In the top right corner, click Start New. You can rename the workflow if you want. It's optional but helpful for tracking. Verify that the ship from address is correct. If you don't have a saved address, click Ship from another address, then add contact, enter the details, and click Save and Close. Once your address is selected, click File Upload and choose Upload Completed File. Upload the item content file you edited earlier. After a short wait, if the upload is successful, your items will automatically move to the SKU's Ready to Send stage. If there's an error, Amazon will show you which SKU caused it and why. In case of an error, simply remove the problematic item from both the item content and box content files, and upload the corrected file again. In our example, we didn't encounter any errors, so the Pack Individual Units button became active. Using this method, you won't need to manually enter prep types or item quantities again. Click Pack Individual Units. In the next step, Amazon will ask for box contents, specifically which items are in which box. Thanks to the box content file you downloaded earlier from Bookz Pro, you have this information ready. Since we have multiple boxes, click Multiple Boxes will be needed. Choose Upload Excel File. Enter the number of boxes and click Generate Excel File. Download the generated Excel template and open it in Google Sheets. Go to the Box Packing Information tab. Copy the relevant information from your box content file into this template. Also, copy the box dimensions and weights into the appropriate sections. Then, download the updated file in Excel format. Go back to Amazon, click Upload and Validate File. Select your updated file, and wait for Amazon to check it. Once you see the green confirmation message, click Confirm and Continue. Next, choose your shipment date. Review the shipping options Amazon offers and select the one that works best for you. Click Accept Charges and Confirm Shipping. On the next page, you'll be able to download your box labels. Select your preferred label size and click Print to download the labels. Finally, go back to Bookz Pro and cancel the original session. And that's it. The entire process is complete. These steps might seem complex at first, but don't worry. If you get stuck at any point, feel free to reach out to Bookz Pro Support for help. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one.